If you are still relying on a single general-purpose chatbot to do your daily work, you are leaving hours of potential productivity on the table. You can reduce your working time by up to 80%. But to achieve that five-fold increase in output, you have to accept the friction of managing a fragmented stack of specialized tools. This quadrant chart maps task efficiency against tool specificity. Generic models sit in the low efficiency corner because they try to do everything. Specialized tools like NotebookLM, Stitch, and Claude sit in the high efficiency quadrant, built for specific professional outputs. Reaching that 5x performance level requires moving past the one-size-fits-all interface and adopting a workflow of specialized, freemium tools. The first step to optimization is identifying the single largest bottleneck in your daily routine. This decision tree breaks your professional output into 3 paths. Path A is for researchers and managers synthesizing high volumes of text and audio. Path B covers designers and developers focused on rapid prototyping. Path C is for engineers building complex back-end logic. Your success depends entirely on following your specific professional branch and ignoring the tools that don't serve your exact requirements. For researchers and managers, the bottleneck is volume. You are expected to review and summarize an impossible amount of data before the next meeting. Google's NotebookLM addresses this by processing over 150 diverse documents in 10 seconds through its deep research mode. This funnel shows how NotebookLM takes raw PDFs, audio waves, and charts, converting them into exact citation answers and presentations. When analyzing reliance stock, feed the tool balance sheets and quarterly calls to receive answers with exact page references. To handle inputs, WhisperFlow provides a highly accurate dictation utility for Indian regional languages, triggered by a custom hotkey. However, NotebookLM is a closed environment. It doesn't scrape the live web, so its intelligence is strictly limited to the documents you manually upload. This stack solves the synthesis bottleneck, but it shifts your core responsibility from reading data to rigorously curating your input files. Designers and front-end developers need to bypass the blank canvas phase to move instantly into prototyping. A tool called Stitch analyzes reference sites like Apple to generate professional wireframes and automated design systems that follow industry standards. The compromise here is control. You trade granular pixel-by-pixel manipulation for the ability to edit layouts using natural language prompts. As shown in this pipeline, you can import those Stitch designs directly into Google AI Studio. In under 90 seconds, AI Studio produces functional, hostable HTML and Tailwind code based on those designs. You can then use Gemini to generate realistic device frames and stylized mockups from your raw screenshots. The friction in this process is workflow fragmentation. You are moving data across 3 separate platforms to reach a finished prototype. This stack dramatically reduces creation time, but it forces traditional designers to transition into the role of pipeline managers. Advanced coders constantly face the immense pressure of building complex back-end architectures quickly, completely without sacrificing structural integrity. For professionals managing these multivariable logic problems, Claude has become a preferred choice for technical drafting. This flowchart shows how Claude takes a simple prompt and builds a multi-location inventory tracker with pricing and attendance logic in under 2 minutes. This capability is why engineers in the high-earning bracket use it to establish the foundations for ERP and CRM systems. The trade-off is non-negotiable. While the tool accelerates the drafting phase, secure deployment and deep debugging still require the oversight of a senior human engineer. Claude is an architectural accelerant, but treating its output as final without a human code review process is a liability. Optimizing a $0 workflow requires a final audit to ensure you are matching the right stack to your specific profile. This evaluation matrix summarizes our recommendations. For researchers, NotebookLM and WhisperFlow reduce reading hours to seconds, assuming manual input curation. For designers, Stitch and AI Studio provide instant prototyping, despite workflow fragmentation. For coders, Claude builds enterprise logic in minutes, but requires human verification. These tools are free to start. The true cost is the upfront time investment required to learn their specific prompting quirks. Mastering your specific tool stack converts a 4-hour research block into a 10-second process, securing a 5-fold increase in your daily output.